You're very good friends with the crows, isn't it, Petunia? Beautiful mama! You wanna say anything today? Say hello, mama? Beautiful little princess. This is her face, guys. This is Petunia. Petunia, mama. Petunia. she wants some flower seeds. I have another female here. Yeah, she must be an aunt. Depends on her mood. She lets me rub her belly most of the time. Today she's not in the mood. You're not in the mood, mama? It's another girlie from Petunia's flock. Look at the beautiful little princess of heaven. Princess of heaven. Princess of heaven.